Hi guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to seal your reborn bottle. All you're going to need is the sharp bit of a toothpick, as you can see here. And yes, we're going to get going. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold this inside out, and this does take quite a bit of time, but you just have to push it through. Just keep going, put your finger in there, and really get it through. And this is the most easiest way, I think, of doing it. Okay, so there you go, it's going to look like that. And then you're going to get this bit and you're just going to fold it out. So it looks like that. You've got a circle bit and then it's pushed in. Then you're going to get your little toothpick, the sharp bit, poke it through the hole, wiggle it around so it's in there. There you go. So it looks like that. I might need to just poke it in a bit more. Then this is the hard bit when you've got to get it through, because this is quite hard, the see-through bit. It's hard to get it through, so I might just see if I can screw the lid on and it might do it. But okay, so I just got to keep going. As you can see, it's really hard, so it is quite tricky to get it through, because you don't really want to get it, like, push it right through, otherwise. Okay, so there we go. I've just done it, as you can see. So it looks like that, and the toothpick's in there. So now I'm just going to be pouring the fake milk into the bottle. So I'm going to pour it in. So there's the fake milk, and I'm just going to pop the lid on now. So we just sealed it. And then this is the best way. So then, as you can see, no milk comes out and it looks really good. So that is how you seal your reborn bottle, and I will do another video soon. Bye!